If you think AI can take your job, then this is the video for you. Someone at a random company is doing a job that AI can do in 3 seconds. But the thing is, they don't know it yet. Their manager doesn't know it yet. But the story begins when a business owner just started to figure it out. As businesses race towards AI, the unemployment line grows longer. The question is, which side of that line you end up on? Oh, let me tell you the story. This is Mark. Mark runs an e-commerce business. Every month, Mark pays someone $3,000 to write product descriptions. 20 products, one writer, 1 month. The writer is good, Mark never questioned it. It was just how things worked. Last Tuesday, Mark was killing time. He opened Claude AI just to see what the hype is about. He typed his product details, hit send. 3 seconds later, all 20 descriptions finished, polished, ready to publish. Mark sat still for a very long time. I think this was the aha moment for him. Now, here is what I need you to hear. And this is the part most people get wrong. AI did not take that job. It took that task, the writing task, the repetitive copy-paste, same format every time task. But the job, the human skill, what customers want, what words resonate with your customers, what story makes them feel good, what story makes them buy, what problem that you are going to solve that is emotionally connected to your customers, that is still worth everything. AI just made the repetitive task factory irrelevant. That's it. But here is the ending where the writer wins. What if they had learned Claude first? Same writer, same skill, same understanding of what customers want. But now they can deliver 20 descriptions to any client in 3 seconds. They take on 10 clients instead of 1. They charge 500 per package instead of waiting for a salary. The AI did not replace them. It made them 10 times faster. They became the middleman that cannot be fired because they are the ones holding the AI. Right now, which one are you? Are you Mark, still paying for the task that AI does in 3 seconds? Or are you becoming that person who knows AI to do those tasks for everyone else? Comment down below. I want to hear your thought. Thanks for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one.